Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
And now Allah, the same against Allah, Al-Fatiha 48 and Ayah 23. Sunnatullahi allati qad khalat min qabl walan tajida li sunnatillahi tabdila. Without doubt, this is the sunnah, the practice of Allah that passed away from before, and you will never find for the sunnah, the practice of Allah, to change. What is the sunnah? I am reading continuously, all the ayahs that I am reading is the sunnah, the practice of Allah. Every ayat is sunnatullah. If it is talking about the messenger, and messenger's sunnat is mentioned, the practice of the message is described, that is the sunnat or the messenger's practice. Again, if it is talking about the people, then that first it is the sunnat of Allah, and then it is the practice or the sunnat of the people. If it is describing the rejectors' behavior, it is talking about the sunnat of the rejectors. If it is talking about the believers' behavior, it is talking about the believer's sunnat. So in this whole, everything would be sunnatullah allati qad khalat min qabl. Without doubt, this is the sunnat and the practice of Allah that passed away. Because whatever Allah has said it, and the people have behaved in the same manner, it has passed by. And that was the practice of Allah all the times. And still today it will be the same. We will be bygone. If we don't take lessons, we will be in the same category. No difference. Because Allah says in the same ayah, and you will never find the sunnah, the practice of Allah, to change. It will remain same, exactly same. What is recorded, the behavior of the people, we are coming in the same category. If you are coming in the believers, if you are coming in the categories of hypocrites or the kafir or the rejectors, it's the same. We have to identify. That is the sunnat of Allah, the practice of Allah. You must understand any ayah or the verse that is being read is the sunnatullah. First of all, it is the sunnatullah, meaning the practice of Allah. And what is the practice of Allah? I told you before in the beginning, I again repeat that word. A qawl is saying and acting upon, joined together. Any qawl or any act of any person joined together is the practice of that person. Any saying of mine, and my actions joined together is my practice. That is, you will refer to me, Muhammad Sheikh is like this. He practiced this, whatever, right or wrong. We're not talking about right or wrong. So what if anyone has to define me, you have to say his qawl, whatever, this is what he says, and this is what he practiced. That is the sunnah of me, or the practice of me, right? Similarly, whatever the messenger says, and whatever the messenger practiced, is the sunnah of the messenger. Similarly, whatever Allah says in the ayahs of the Quran, and whatever Allah act upon on those ayahs, is the sunnatullah, or the practice of Allah in the Quranic ayahs. That is the sunnat of Allah, or the practice of Allah. So in other words, the sunnatullah in the whole Quran, every ayah that I read is the sunnatullah. But if it describes of the shaitan, I did not put those eyes because there was not much, otherwise it will become, if I put the eyes of the hypocrites, eyes of the shaitan, Allah is describing the shaitan, the behavior of the sunnah or the practice of the shaitan. Then I put the ayat that is describing the sunnah or the practice of the believers. Then I put the eyes and the ayahs of the hypocrites or the believers or the Yahudi or the Nasara. They all are described by Allah. Every ayah that you read is the sunnatullah, and the description about those people is the sunnat of the practice of those people. That is the sunnat of those people. The sunnat of the shaitan. The shaitan says, Ana khairum minhu, yes, I am better than him. So that is the practice of the shaitan, to whom Allah put his spirit into it, and Allah asked the angels to bow down, and the shaitan said, no, I will not bow down because I am made of fire, he is made of... This is the shaitan practice. This is the sunnat of the practice of the Satan. But who's telling us? Allah. So that is sunnatullah, the practice of Allah. And we have come to know by all the ayahs that sunnat Rasul or the sunnat Allah, there is no difference. The difference is whatever Allah says. In the beginning Allah says, Allah has made the Quran first, ordained over the Prophet. And the Prophet does not find any difficulty what Allah has ordained on him in implementing. So that is the sunnah of Allah, that He has sent the messengers to deliver the message. So I read an ayat which is describing how the messengers came. And the messenger, what was the duty of the messenger? They recited the ayahs. They gave the knowledge of the book. They gave the knowledge of the wisdom. They gave the knowledge of what you never knew. And they took you out, those who believe and who do corrections. Then Allah says that these messengers will take those people who believe and do correction from the darkness into light. And Allah will put him into the garden, beneath the river's flow. So this all I read is the sunnah that is describing the sunnah or the practice of the messenger, that behavior or the practice sunnah Rasul. But who's telling us? Allah, that is sunnatullah, the practice of Allah. And we have come to know by all these ayat that sunnah of Allah, the practice of Allah, describing about anybody, in the present and the past, it will never change, it will never transform. It will remain the same. Thank you very much.